7 amazing teas that help you sleep better. Do you want a better night's sleep without counting stars staring at your ceiling? What if we told you there is a solution right in your cupboards? Actually, poor quality sleep or lack of sleep is no joke. From heart problems to weight gain, sleeplessness can lead to various health issues. According to the National Sleep Foundation, 35% of all adults in the United States report sleeping for less than the recommended 7 hours per night on average. So you are not alone in this sleep problem. There are many. Just get rid of your sleeping tablets and make nature your best sleeping aid. Yes, we are talking about the delicious herbal teas that will help you sleep. There is nothing like a warm cup of tea to help calm your nerves. Herbal teas, known for their calming properties and peaceful aromas, have been trusted for relaxation and better sleep. So, in today's video, we will share the 7 best teas that science suggests could help you sleep more deeply. So let's dive into the details.
Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Also, be sure to stick around to watch the video till the end.
Number 1. Passion Flower Tea. If you've been struggling to find a calm haven amidst the storm of sleeplessness, this one's for you. According to research from the Journal of Clinical Pharmacy and Therapeutics, Passion Flower Tea has shown promise in reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Passion Flower Tea isn't just an ally for your mind, it's a companion for your body too. It's like a gentle lullaby that eases muscle tension, helping you unwind after a long day. Now, you might be wondering how to enjoy this delightful brew. Well, simply steep a passion flower tea bag in hot water for a few minutes, allowing its calming essence to infuse the water. Or get creative with loose dried passion flower leaves from a natural grocery store. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons to an infuser and let steep 5 to 10 minutes. You can also simmer dried leaves in water for 20 minutes, strain, and store the tea to reheat later. It's a bedtime ritual that's as simple as it is effective. If you have fresh passion flower leaves, rinse and steep them for 10-15 minutes. For more flavor, combine passion flower with a base tea like chamomile. However, when you brew it, passion flower lends its mellow essence to the water, creating a calming, sleep-promoting nighttime tea. However, like all good things, there are some precautions to keep in mind. Pregnant or nursing individuals and those who taking certain medications should consult a healthcare professional before sipping on this herbal elixir. So if you're seeking a blend of tranquility and serenity in a cup, passion flower tea is your answer. Number 2. Peppermint Tea. Now let's delve into the world of peppermint tea. If passion flower tea is soothing, then peppermint tea brings in a calming way. According to a study in the Journal of Gastroenterology, peppermint has been shown to have a relaxing effect on the muscles of your gastrointestinal tract. In simple terms, it can help soothe that bloated, uneasy feeling that often tags along with sleepless nights. We've all been there, right? The discomfort of a full belly can play havoc with your sleep. Plus, the key compound in peppermint tea that helps promote sleep is menthol. Menthol is responsible for the minty aroma and flavor. It works in several ways to make falling asleep easier. Firstly, menthol activates certain receptors in the body that induce muscle relaxation. Relaxed muscles prepare the body for rest. Brewing this comforting concoction is as simple as making your morning coffee. Place a tea bag in a cup of hot water, let it steep, and there you have it. A soothing elixir ready to be enjoyed. So, if you're yearning for nights where restfulness isn't an elusive dream, peppermint tea might be your ally. Remember, it's not just a beverage, it's a potential pathway to a more peaceful sleep. However, if you're prone to acid reflux or have digestive sensitivities, it's wise to consult your healthcare provider before making peppermint tea a regular part of your routine. Number 3. Chamomile Tea. Research from the Journal of Advanced Nursing highlights chamomile tea's potential to improve sleep quality. Yet, chamomile tea is not confined to the night. It's a companion for daylight hours too. Its mild sedative properties can offer a calming moment in daily hustle. Importantly, chamomile contains medicinal compounds like apigenin, luteolin, and quercetin that have anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic and relaxant effects on the body. This helps relieve anxiety, abdominal cramps, and muscle spasms. The antioxidants in chamomile also boost immunity. How can we prepare it? Well, brewing chamomile tea is as effortless as a comforting embrace. Place chamomile tea bag in hot water, allow it to steep, and voila, a cup of tranquility ready to be savored. So, if you're longing for nights of peaceful periods of sleep and mornings of awakened vitality, chamomile tea could hold the key. It's more than a mere drink. It's a potential gateway to a more peaceful sleep routine. If you're sensitive to chamomile or under certain medications, consulting your doctor before embracing chamomile tea is a wise move. Number 4. Lavender tea. Now let's explore the calming world of lavender tea. Lavender is well known for its soothing and relaxing effects. Sipping lavender herbal tea can create a sense of tranquility and inner peace. Research from the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine has shown that lavender tea contains compounds like linalool and linaloyl acetate. Linalool and linaloyl acetate are two key compounds found in lavender tea that contribute to its relaxation and sleep-promoting effects. But lavender tea's benefits extend beyond bedtime. It can be a companion throughout your day. So, creating lavender tea is as simple as taking a comforting pause. Just place a lavender tea bag in hot water, allow it to steep, and there you have it, a cup of fragrant calmness, ready to be enjoyed. So, when your mind is in a whirlwind of stress and your heart is aflutter with worries, let lavender tea be your aromatic anchor. Sip it slowly and feel the tendrils of relaxation wrap around you like a warm hug. It's not just tea, it's a fragrant escape that leads you straight into the embrace of a peaceful sleep. Number 5. Lemon Balm Tea. Now that we've immersed ourselves in the calming sense of lavender tea, let's step into the refreshing realm of lemon balm tea. Well, according to a study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, lemon balm tea's potential in reducing anxiety and promote relaxation. The compounds found like rosmarinic acid and luteolin have demonstrated calming effects in research. What's fascinating is that lemon balm tea's benefits extend beyond the evening hours. It can serve as a companion throughout your day, with the potential to uplift your mood and bring pockets of calmness amidst life's busy moments. Crafting a cup of lemon balm tea is a simple and satisfying ritual. Place a lemon balm tea bag into hot water, allowing it to steep and release its soothing essence. So, when the worries of the world refuse to give you a break and your mind's stuck in overdrive, turn to lemon balm tea. But keep in mind, if you are expecting a baby or taking specific medications, it's recommended to consult your doctor before taking this. Number 6. Green tea. As we approach to the final stretches of our exploration into sleep-inducing teas, let's take a sip of green tea, a familiar companion on our quest for better sleep. According to a study published in the British Journal of Clinical Pharmacology, green tea contains an amino acid called theanine, which has a calming effect on the mind. It's like a soothing texture for your thoughts, helping them find their way to a quiet oasis of calm. Green tea doesn't just embrace your mind, it's a friend to your body as well. It's like a gentle stretch for your senses, awakening them without the jolt of caffeine. The moderate amount of caffeine in green tea acts as a delicate alarm clock, gently nudging your body into alertness during the day and settling into a peaceful rhythm come night. What's fantastic about green tea is its ubiquity. It's like that reliable friend who's always there when you need them. Walk into any cafe, any store, and you'll likely find green tea ready to accompany you on your journey. Number 7. Centella Asiatica Tea. Centella Asiatica Tea is a calming herbal tea that may help you sleep better. It is also called go-to cola. Research in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology says Centella Asiatica has been used traditionally to relax the mind. This tea contains medicinal compounds that act as natural sedatives. They create feelings of calmness. Unlike some other herbal teas, Centella Asiatica may also boost focus, and mental clarity during the day, so it provides relaxation at night and concentration during the day, a dual benefit. Drinking Centella Asiatica tea slowly in the evening lets its natural wisdom seep into your senses. Its compounds guide your mind. You can find Centella Asiatica tea at health food stores and specialty tea shops. It's not as common as chamomile or lavender tea, but it's worth looking for if you want a tea that reduces anxiety and aids sleep. So, what is the best time to drink tea for sleep? Right, before you plan to close your eyes, give yourself around 1 hour to sip the tea.
And with that, we wrap up today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.